Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Learning Room Pro. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. And if this video helps you understand English better, even a little, don't forget to give it a like. It really motivates me to make more lessons for you. Today's lesson is very simple, very calm, and one of the most helpful lessons you will ever have. In this episode, I will guide you step by step on how to understand native English speakers easily, without feeling confused, without constantly asking what, and without giving up on conversations or videos. Many learners study grammar and vocabulary for months or years, but when they listen to real native speakers in movies, podcasts, or real life, everything sounds too fast. You feel lost. You feel frustrated. You think, maybe English is just too hard for me. But let me tell you something important. It's not you. It's just that no one taught you how to listen the right way. Today, we will change that completely. Take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment. And slowly breathe out. Relax your shoulders. Relax your ears. You are in a safe place to learn. Let's begin. Why understanding native speakers feels so hard? When native speakers talk, they don't speak word by word like this. They connect everything. I am going to becomes I'm gonna. What do you want becomes what do you want. They use contractions: don't, can't, won't, gonna, wanna, gotta. They reduce sounds and speak with rhythm, like music. Your brain is trained for slow, clear textbook English, but real English is fast, connected, and full of shortcuts. The good news? Your brain can learn this rhythm, just like you learned to understand fast speech in your own language when you were a child. And today, we will start that beautiful process. The easy listening method, step by step. Here's the truth. You don't need to understand 100% right away. You only need small, gentle daily practice. We will use a method called slow to fast listening practice. This method has 4 calm steps. I added one extra to make it stronger. Step 1. Start with slow, clear English. Begin where you feel comfortable. Listen to English that is spoken slowly and clearly. Examples: BBC Learning English, 6-minute English, slow versions. Simple podcasts for learners. YouTube channels that speak slowly. Listen for just 5 to 10 minutes a day. Pause after every sentence. Repeat it out loud. Try to understand the meaning. This builds confidence in your ears. Step 2. Train your ears with active listening. Now, move to normal speed but short content. Choose 2 to 5-minute videos or podcast clips. First listening, no subtitles. Just listen and try to catch the main idea. Ask yourself, what is this about? Second listening, with subtitles. Notice how words connect. See how going to becomes gonna. Notice contractions and reductions. Don't try to catch every word. Just notice the patterns. Do this every day. Your brain will start recognizing the rhythm. Step 3. Shadowing, the most powerful exercise. This is the secret of fluent listeners. Shadowing means repeat exactly after the speaker at the same speed. How to do it? Play a sentence. Pause. Repeat exactly, tone, speed, connections, even if you don't understand everything. Your mouth and ears work together. Example. Speaker says, "Hey, what's up? How's it going?" You pause and repeat, "Hey, what's up? How's it going?" Do 5 to 10 sentences a day. This trains your brain to process fast speech naturally. Step 4. Real-life exposure, gentle and daily. Now add real content. Watch short clips from YouTube vlogs, simple TV shows, Friends with subtitles first, TikTok or Instagram reels in English. Start with topics you love, cooking, travel, gaming. When you don't understand, that's okay. Just keep listening. Over time, more and more words will become clear. Be patient, be kind to yourself. Let's practice together, extended practice. Now, let's do some practice right here. I will say sentences slowly first, then faster. Repeat after me. Sentence 1. I am going to the market later. Faster. I'm gonna go to the market later. Your turn. I'm gonna go to the market later. Good. Sentence 2. What do you want to do tonight? Faster. What do you want to do tonight? Your turn. What do you want to do tonight? Excellent. Sentence 3. Do you know what I mean? Faster. Do you know what I mean? Your turn. Do you know what I mean? Wonderful. Sentence 4. I have got to finish this work. Faster. I gotta finish this work. Your turn. I gotta finish this work. You're doing amazingly. One more long one. I don't know what you are talking about. Faster. I don't know what you're talking about. Your turn. I don't know what you're talking about. Perfect. See how natural it feels already? Final thought. You don't need to understand everything today. You only need to listen a little every day. Your ears are opening. Your brain is learning the rhythm. One day soon, fast English will feel normal. You will watch movies without subtitles. You will talk to natives without fear. And you will feel so proud of yourself. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If this longer lesson helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more calm, detailed English lessons. You are doing something powerful. I'm your friend from Learning Room Pro. See you in the next lesson. Keep listening, keep growing, keep believing in yourself.